There's a magical place in the forest that once was a camp for kids. Then one day it closed its doors and said its last goodbye. That's when the creatures moved in, and now it's a place called Kamp Kreatures.
Hello, everyone. My name is Eager Beaver. I'm one of the puppets from Kamp Kreatures Puppet Theater. We travel all over with the most delightfully entertaining puppet shows you will ever see. My friends and I are really big, so everyone can see us no matter how large the audience is. There's Snores the Bear, Kettle the Possum, Flurry Fox, Winks the Owl, and... Hey, what's that smell? Oh, Cologne the Skunk. And don't forget me, Eager Beaver.
Used to be a camp where only kids would run and play.
Till the day we took a look and decided we would stay.
So come on in and join us before the day is done.
Our camp is always open to each and every one.
Because it's Kamp Kreatures, a real cool place to see. Kamp Kreatures, a place you'll want to be. Come on in and join the fun as we learn to live with everyone. Kamp Kreatures, the funnest place to be.
The music in our shows always makes me want to sing and dance.
Doing silly freeze dance, doing silly freeze dance. Dancing with ease from your nose to your knees. Doing silly freeze dance, doing silly freeze dance. Freeze and dance, silly freeze and dance. Oh, freeze and dance. Doing silly freeze dance, doing silly freeze dance. Dancing with ease from your nose to your knees. Doing silly freeze dance, doing silly freeze dance. Get ready for 1 month big silly freeze.
Great job! Everyone's doing a great job!
And dance.
But the part I really like the most is when I get to interact with all the kids and let them join in on the fun.
Magical Puppet Creations is a totally self-contained children's entertainment company, providing wholesome and top-quality entertainment for everyone. Our traveling theater has several staging options and many different shows to pick from. Our most popular outdoor stage is our cabin stage, which is 14 feet high and very whimsical. As long as you provide us with the space and electrical power, we can bring these fantasy adventures to life right before your eyes. We perform for festivals, fairs, theaters, schools, malls, and other special events. Kamp Kreatures is a new dimension in puppet entertainment, and after you've seen us, you're going to want to go back to camp no matter how old you are.
Whether you want to sing along or laugh or be mesmerized by magic, you're sure to have a terrific time with all of us here at Kamp Kreatures.
Welcome to Kamp Kreatures, come on in. Kamp Kreatures, gonna make a friend. Come on in and join the fun as we learn to live with everyone. Kamp Kreatures, the funnest place to be. Kamp Kreatures, a real cool place to see. Kamp Kreatures, a place you'll